Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most challenging yet essential topics for busy professionals: how to lose weight when your schedule is packed. Whether you're just beginning your weight loss journey or looking to fine-tune your current routine, this video is packed with practical tips that can fit into even the busiest lifestyles. Losing weight doesn't have to involve strict diets, costly supplements, or intense workouts that you can't fit into your day. In fact, the most effective weight loss strategies are those that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall well-being, especially for busy professionals who face high levels of stress and limited time for self-care. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can improve your energy levels, boost productivity, and reduce the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Plus, it can enhance your mental health, helping you manage stress and stay focused during long workdays. Start with quick, healthy meals. Opt for nutrient-dense, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support your body's functions, keep your energy levels steady, and promote satiety. Prepping your meals in advance can save you time during the week and help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy convenience foods. Incorporate portable snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt, which you can easily have at your desk. With a busy schedule, it's easy to overeat, especially during stressful moments. Be mindful of portion sizes by using smaller plates or pre-portioning your meals to avoid overeating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help keep your metabolism running smoothly and prevent energy crashes that might lead to unhealthy snacking. Taking the time to savor your food and recognize hunger and fullness cues can help you develop a healthier relationship with food. Keep a water bottle at your desk to remind yourself to drink water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for managing hunger and maintaining energy levels. Reducing your intake of sugary snacks and drinks can also help you manage your calorie intake more effectively. Instead, choose complex carbs like whole grains that provide sustained energy without the crash. Make sure your meals include a balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. This balance is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Protein can keep you fuller longer, healthy fats can help regulate your appetite, and complex carbs provide the energy needed to get through your busy schedule. Finding time to exercise can be challenging for busy professionals, but it's crucial for weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. This could include a brisk walk during your lunch break, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or even quick desk exercises. High-intensity interval training is another great option for those short on time, as it can burn a lot of calories in a short period. Set realistic goals that fit your lifestyle and track your progress. This could mean aiming for small, incremental changes rather than drastic shifts. Getting enough sleep is also essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep helps regulate your hunger hormones and gives your body the rest it needs to stay energized and healthy. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, especially through emotional eating. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe deeply and relax. These practices can help you stay calm and focused, reducing the likelihood of reaching for unhealthy foods when stressed. Don't skip meals. Regular eating patterns help maintain your metabolism and prevent overeating later. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast can set the tone for the rest of the day, providing the energy you need to stay active and engaged. Planning your meals and snacks in advance ensures you always have healthy options on hand, reducing the temptation to grab something less nutritious on the go. Finally, remember that weight loss is a journey, not a race. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than seeking quick fixes. Consistency is key, so stick with your healthy habits even during busy periods. Small, consistent efforts will add up over time, leading to lasting results. Remember, losing weight as a busy professional is all about finding balance and making small, manageable changes that promote overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, balanced life. To find out how to easily lose weight and keep it off for good, Click the link in the description below. We hope today will be the day you start on your weight loss journey. Thank you again and goodbye.